Alpha Athletics is an American athletic shoe company recently established in 2020 and is now competing in the shoe industry market. Alpha Athletics' 2020 mission statement consists of providing the highest ranked quality athletic shoe to allow athletes to dominate at their highest potential. Alpha Athletics believes if you have a body, you are an athlete. We continue to adapt and create new types of shoes annually so that our consumers receive the best quality product when it comes to style and performance. And Alpha Athletics' motto is Be Alpha. Alpha Athletics' business strategy is focused on a low-cost strategy so that they sell their shoe at a lower price than retail price than its competition, but still a high quality above the retail industry. Some benefits of implementing this low-cost strategy is a limited number of competition because the competition is selling a higher shoe in the retail department, lower operational costs, increased sales, more room for growth, and expanded customer base. The lower operational costs is due to the fact that our shoes are primarily sold where they are produced in our 4 regions. Some drawbacks of implementing this type of low-cost strategy are it limits the initial demand of products and focuses on a specific target demographic. This is because that Alpha Athletics is moving towards not selling any private label shoe. Alpha Athletics earning per share, as you can see in the chart, started out slow, had a slight increase in year 13, and has had a dramatic fall over the coming years. Alpha Athletics looks to continue to get back on track in the coming years by increasing their earnings per share, by redirecting their thoughts back to the low-cost strategy. Alpha Athletics' net revenue through the years. In wholesale, that's where the company has seen the most revenue each year. A close second being the internet revenue. As you can see, private label is slowly going to be decreasing over the years, and in years 16 and up, there will be no private label shoes sold in the market. Some weaknesses of Alpha Athletics consist of through the year 11, which is year 1 through 14, the company lacked 0 celebrity endorsements, which had a large effect on brand recognition. Also, poor earnings per share, a low and negative return on equity, a stock price extremely low, which didn't allow the company to repurchase any stock, a poor credit and image rating. This is due to not having any celebrity endorsements and a poor image rating from that exact reason. Also, Alpha Athletics left a bunch of shoes unsold through the past years. So these shoes weren't sold, so no money was made from those shoes that were produced. Some strengths of Alpha Athletics. The shoe company, every year it has been in business, has offered free shipping from year 1 to year 16. And continuing to sell free shipping going forward. Alpha Athletics is built to scale. It provides a low-cost, high-quality shoe compared to its competitors. Also, the company has had a high, above-average industry SQ rating and an increase in SQ rating each year in each region their shoes were sold. Going forward, Alpha Athletics looks to increase celebrity endorsements, which it already has. Increase its stock price. This will happen from refocusing back to their low-cost strategy, as well as increase earnings per share, increase return on equity, and increase credit and image rating. These will all be accomplished with Alpha Athletics refocusing its price strategy back to a lower than retail price. Also, Alpha Athletics will continue to offer a strong corporate and social responsibility with its consumers and its employees by offering incentives each month for increased pay, constantly updating working conditions such as offering cafeteria, on-site childcare services, improved ventilation, lighting, and other safety measures. Alpha Athletics wants to be known as the alpha shoe company in the industry. And closing, don't forget, be alpha.